Riri kuri na hahu iguru ria homa ya COVID-19, thirikari ni itacukitie makinya ma kugitira muingi. Murwaru wa mbere gukorwo na homa ino anyitikanire tariki 6 mweri uyu turi.
Today we have received confirmation of 2 more cases of the coronavirus. The 2 have tested positive as a result of coming into contact with the first patient. Our health officials have already moved them into Kenyatta National Hospital isolation facility. The medical teams are closely monitoring the patients who are reported to be in stable condition and responding well to treatment, and this indeed gives us hope.
Ariothe mahutanitie na arwaru aya na njira imwe kana ingi, onao ni methanitwo nao na ni marathuthurio. Hahwiria nene muno ingiumira ya gutherema kwa homa ino ni gututhuka thukuru-ini oro yothe guku bururi-ini, na nikio thukuru ciothe ihingitwo kwa ihinda ritoikaine kuuma muthenya wa Jumatatu.
We have suspended learning in all our education institutions with immediate effect. Consequently, and to facilitate a phased approach, primary and secondary day schools are to suspend operations from tomorrow. For those in boarding schools, the school administration is to ensure that students are home by Wednesday, the 18th March 2020, while universities and tertiary institutions are to close by Friday, 20th March 2020.
Murwaru wa mbere aigirire na homa ino guku bururi-ini kuma bururi wa Amerika, na nikio mihaka yothe ihingitwo na gutiri andu megwitikirio kuingira bururi-ini.
Only Kenyan citizens and foreigners with valid residence permits will be allowed to come in, provided they proceed on self-quarantine or to a government-designated quarantine facility. This will take effect within the next 48 hours to cater for any passengers who may be en route. This directive will remain in effect for the next 30 days or as varied by the National Emergency Response Committee.
Kabuni itiganite guku bururi-ini, muingi na nginya nduka nene cia wonjoria ni ciuritio kugacirithia utheru na gikiro kinene.
There is no doubt that this pandemic will test us, as it is testing all countries in every corner of the globe. But I don't believe that it will defeat us.
President Kenyatta ni oritie muingi ndugatambie ndeto cia maheni na hahu iguru rigie homa ino ya COVID-19, tondu thirikari ni iharirie kung'ethanira nayo no ndingihotana na wira uyu hatari na ngwataniro ya muingi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muriuki wa Muchoki.